out here, you gotta take your cards. It's on the floor or something. Fine, well. I just beeped at some horses. I didn't know one was laying down. Baby horse got up and started running.
Hey, so like my duty clock says I only have 2 hours and 18 minutes left, and the route that he put me on is a 4-hour route, and it didn't start till 3:55. And I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to lose my job because I'm trying to hustle and get this route done, and I may go over on duty hours. I'm trying to figure all this out. Plus, he's not too happy with me because apparently I left a little bit of crumbs and missed a couple of wrappers in the truck, and apparently that's not the first time I've gotten a complaint. I don't carry a vacuum with me, so I can't really do much with it, and I tried to clean it out the best I could, but I guess I missed a couple things, so they ain't too happy about that. And then apparently I also put on the DOT pad that a tire was low, and I wasn't supposed to do that either. I was supposed to let him know. Well, I figured that DOT Now, I ain't doing the Pineville run. I do the damn Pierce City. He doesn't let me do the Pineville run. I would love to do the afternoon run that goes with the route so I don't have to deal with the dude who does the Pineville run. Because then I would have my own truck and I wouldn't have to worry about all that BS. But no, I have to switch trucks and do other shit apparently.
We better just quit eating in the damn truck. And quit rushing. I was gonna show you a video of my shit, but mine's at 0-0 right now. It's always at 0-0 every single